Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about the economy of different countries in South America before we take our CBA, which is tomorrow. So on your desk, you should have a piece of paper that looks like this on one side and like this on the other side. On this side right here, I need you to write your name, date, and your homeroom teacher. And we're going to spend today's class basically filling out this chart. So as you can see across the top, we've got different countries. Okay, we've got Peru, Venezuela, Argentina, and Brazil. And then on the other side, we have something that's called economic indicators. GDP, GDP per capita, government and economy, imports, exports, and levels of development. We are going to take part of the lesson outside today. So you're going to be getting into different groups, and I'm going to group you guys up. In those groups, we're going to go out to the learning zone, the learning center that's over there outside. There are going to be these posters taped to the ground. You're going to use the information on these posters to fill out your chart here. So, for example, I'm holding up gross domestic product. So if you're at this station, you are going to find gross domestic product, or GDP, and here you write the definition. So our definition is in blue. Don't write it now because you guys are going to write it when you get outside. Okay? After that, it gives you, so for our definition of gross domestic product, it's how much money a country makes in 1 year. Then I go through Venezuela, Argentina, and Brazil, and I give you how much money each country makes in that year. So you are copying down the definition and the GDP into this chart here. So in this box, you'll write the definition. You're going to write down the GDP for Peru. I already gave you the one for Venezuela. You're going to do the same thing for Argentina and Brazil. Okay? Afterward, I have a sentence sum at the bottom for you guys to talk about with your group for if you finish early. So for this question, it says, which country makes the most money? Your sentence stem is below. Blank makes the most money a year. So you would just say which country goes here. So if you think that Peru makes the most money, you would say Peru makes the most money a year. Okay? So our student expectation with this assignment is to be able to determine the level of development in the different countries of South America. You're going to do this by doing a gallery walk outside and filling in information here. We are going to do questions, sentence stems on the back when we come back inside. There is a question here, right here, where it says level of development. That you need to leave blank, okay? So we're only doing these five, the first five: GDP, GDP per capita, government and economy, imports and exports. The last one you're going to leave to yourself, okay? Rules for being outside. There's no running around, first of all. Second of all, you're staying within whatever group I put you in. Third of all, if I notice that we're talking too loud or running around, chasing each other, not following expectations, then we're going to take the class inside and do the lesson inside, which I'm more than happy to do if we're struggling, okay? I don't want us to struggle. So that's what we're going to do today, and I hope it goes really well. Thanks.